Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you have not subscribed to the channel, please do subscribe to the channel. Today we'll be doing this short king part. First we have to do denoise. We will take a denoise node and we'll take this point and we'll add amount value 3. We have denoised the plate. Now what we do is we do screen clean. For screen clean I will take IBK color. In IBK I will choose green because we have green, and we do 0.5 here. Some here are missing, so what we do is we'll take this much first. We wrote value 2. Done. Now what we do is we'll patch Ctrl C, Ctrl V, 0, patch black 2, 4, 8, 16, 32, 64, 128. This way we have made the clean plate. This is not proper clean plate. For that we'll tweak value here in erode in the first IPK. We take 5, this much, 6, this much. We got this. Now we'll take IBK gizmo, clean plate, foreground. We'll take here green. We got this much. We got this result. Where did we play it? Hairs are so much crunchy. For hairs we do separate IBK, or what we can do is we take merge here. We'll mask the area for hairs. Stencil, clamp, minimum 1, minimum clamp 2, enable. We'll get the hair detail here now. See. We'll mask it till the last frame. this much. We got the hair. We got the hair detail here. Let's check. Now we'll add BG here, merge, foreground, background. Check now. This much we got. Now hairs are perfect. What we have to remove is this part. Some flicker thing is here, something is happening here, so we'll add mask. We'll add mask down there. This much. Something is happening here, so for that also I will add auto. One mask here. Now it's perfect. We have done the key. Soft mat, we have completed the soft mat. Now the time is for core mat. In core mat we will not take hairs. I will take key light here. Key light. With the color. Screen mat, we tweak the value. Dilate, we dilate something, and we add feather. Now we'll merge both the matte, core and soft. We'll add edge blur. We remove hair part from core mat. We'll add this photo and this part stencil. This much we have done. We got the result here. Now we have to remove this part. For that, in matte I will just stencil it. Take a auto, stencil. Now we have to bring back the gun which is getting subtracted in this part. For that instance I will add one more merge and we'll remove wheel stencil gun part. This much we have done. We got the gun here. This lobby key and add soft and cold matte.